everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be trying to upgrade Windows 2.0 over to Windows 3.0. So let's get into it. Okay, so you can see we are here on Windows 2.0. Let's open up the MS-DOS Executive, which you can basically think of as the predecessor to the Program Manager on Windows 3.x. So first off, before we upgrade, I want to do some customization to the theme to see if it still applies when we upgrade. So let's open up control.exe, go to preferences, screen colors, and now we can't drag it. Let me just get rid of that so long. Okay, and can I minimize this? No, I can't. Okay, so let's go for the screen, for the oh no, we can't click on it. So the screen background, let's go for this like orange color.
For the application workspace, let's go for the lighter blue. For the window.
Okay, there we go, and now let's hit OK. And okay, there we go, it is now applied. And hold up, I said close. Because now we're back at the MS-DOS Executive, and you know what, let's now quickly put in the... Well, first I want to write a document before we upgrade. So let's go to write, and let's just write, this was written in Windows 2.0, not 1.0, 2.0. I believe this is 2.03, and then it's not open. I said not open, I don't want to open anything. Not that, just hit Alt F, S, save as C, Windows, Win. Oh, I think you can only, I think it's mono case, so you can only use only upper, only lowercase. So let's do Win2. .wri, I believe, and then it's okay, and then let's go Alt F and then X, but just to prove that this is Windows 2.0, I think. No, there isn't. Oh, there, about, see, version 2, yeah, it is version 2.03, and 1987 this was released. And then, we have the verse, not font. We have the Versi. Everyone remembers this if you used Windows 1.0. I don't want this readme file. I said I want to play the Versi. Now the thing is, I have absolutely zero clue how to play this game. We're just gonna click around for a bit. There, I guess. There. You know what, I gave up. Okay. So now we've made a few changes to the OS so we can actually see if they still apply once we upgrade to 3.0. But one other thing I want to try is we open up the clock and then we go to the settings. We, how do we check? Oh, there we go. Not that. About, no, I didn't want to go to about. The store, I wanted to move it down to the bottom here, maybe shrink it down a bit, and then, oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so let's shrink it down there, and then let's see if it applies when we upgrade. So let's just restore that. And now I'm just going to quickly go ahead and insert the Windows 3.1 image. So let me just quickly go find it. Disk 1. So now all I believe we have to do is click here again, go to the A drive, and yep, MS3111. This is Windows 3.1, and then the one at the end is for disk 1. So let's find setup.exe. And it says a newer version of Windows is required to run setup. Ooh, I don't know if we can actually upgrade from 2.0 to 3.0. We might need to jump to 3.0 before we can go to 3.1. Let's maybe exit and then go to the A drive and run setup. Okay, and I do think I have to go adjust in my recording software because it's not looking right. And let's just move it again. Okay, so you can see here, it says welcome to setup. This setup program for Windows 3.1 prepares Windows to run on your computer. Let's hit enter. Let's hit enter for Express setup, and here it says setup has found the previous version of Microsoft Windows on your hard disk in the path shown below. It is recommended that you upgrade this previous version to Windows 3.1. To upgrade, press enter. Oh. Yep, we can't upgrade 2.x to 3.1. I need to go. You know how annoying this is. So we need to now go and upgrade to Windows 3.0. Then only we can go to 3.1. Oh my word, I'm so annoyed. Can we just hit, you know what, I'll just have to hit F3 to exit. Okay, so now I need to go upgrade to 3.0. Be right back. Forever later. Okay, so as we saw earlier, we are unable to upgrade directly from 2.0 to 3.1. So we need to actually cross the bridge of 3.0 first. So let's input the disk 1 for that. And now let's run setup. Okay, so you can see now Windows 3.0. Okay, so okay, there we go. It says setup has found the previous version of Windows. Let's hit enter, and it looks like it's going through so far. I'm not gonna say anything before I jinx myself and it doesn't work again. Creator, yeah, VGA, I'm mouse PS2, yeah, that's fine. Keyboard, PCXT. Keyboard layout, US, language, English American, okay, that's fine. Oh, and now we need disk 2. So let's just quickly go grab that and hit enter. And oh, there we go, we now have the graphical setup. So, nope, I'm not setting up any. Oh, I see, it has the purple here. And also the inactive title bar is the black. So it is keeping our preferences so far. And set up applications already on the hard disks. Read online documents. No, I don't really want to do that. To continue, now we need disk 3. And let's hit enter. Okay. Now the one thing I am wondering is if it's gonna keep the Versi, that game we played in 2.0. I wonder if it's actually going to keep that or not. Let's just put in disk 5 it asked for, I think. Yep. So let me just capture my mouse again. Click OK. Disk 6 it needs. And there are 7 images, although I don't think it's going to need that. I think 7 is only for printer drivers. See, it says, in order for Windows to be installed optimally, setup needs to modify your config.sys and autoexec.bat files. Yeah, no, it's fine. It's saved the old versions as autoexec.old and config.old. It's fine. Now search all drives for old apps. Let's add all of them. Oh no, we have to add all. Okay. We have CVT Paint, which is to convert file formats from Paint images, I guess. And then also we have Paint. No, I should have, before I upgraded, I should have messed with the Paint on Windows 2.0. But anyways, that's fine. Now it's completely installed. Let me just eject all the floppy images from the virtual drive, and then let's reboot. Okay, you know what, I'm just gonna CLS. Let's see. What, my mouse isn't captured. See, I can't. Smart drive disk cache version. Smart drive invalid parameter. Oh my, okay. Let's try just reset the VM. Let's boot from ID primary master. Okay, there we go, we can type. So CD Windows and then Win. And we are in Windows 3.0, and oh my word, it actually kept our preferences. See, we have File Manager. We can open that up if we want. I'm just gonna close that. We can't. Well, now we have to go up here and close. Yep. And we have the DOS prompt here, Windows Setup, Control Panel. Let's go to the main and see what we have. Oh, we were just in the main thing. Let's go Windows Applications. Oh, yes, the old Paint. Okay, the application you are about to run, Paint.exe, was designed for a previous version of Windows, yada yada. Okay, oh. Oh my word. It actually works. I'm not gonna save that. Let's just get out of that. No. Okay, and then we also have CVT Paint. It works. Okay, that is cool. And then let's go to games. It kept the Versi. You can still play the Versi on your Windows 3. The Versi was not actually included in Windows 3. If you wanted to have it in Windows 3, you would have to either save the exe file from 2.0 or 1.0 before you upgrade it to 3.x, or just upgrade to 3.x. And then of course we have Solitaire, which of course we can play that if we want. I'm not gonna bother. But now let's go over to accessories. Not there. I think it's under, no, it's not under Windows apps, it is under main. File Manager, let's go to the Windows folder. And then where is that thing that we wrote earlier?
Okay. I think we called it Win something. .wri.
Win2.wri. This was written in Windows 2.03 and opened in Windows 3.0a. And now we can finally do what the title of the video says and go upgrade to 3.1. Okay, so let's just quickly close out of this. And now let me put in the first disk for Windows 3.1. You know, let's actually quickly go to About. You can see Windows version 3.0a. And let's quickly go here, close, this is your Windows session, yep. And now we're gonna go to the A drive, we're gonna run setup, enter, express, and you can see now it says it found the previous version again. And there we go, we got past that error message. So you can see it says you have told setup to upgrade your previous version of Windows to Windows version 3.1. Please verify this is what you want to do. Yep, it is. And wow, that was quick. We already need disk 2. The one thing now, disk 2 is where it launches into that graphical setup like we saw in 3.0. No, it's disk 3, my bad. Or at least I think it's 3. Actually, I don't know if it will actually launch it. Oh, it will. Okay, so name, let's do Retros Company, I guess. Yep, that's fine. And there we go, disk 4. Now the thing about 3.1, and I also said about 3.0, is that it doesn't need the last disk. So in 3.0's case, it was disk 7, which was used for printer drivers. And I believe it's the same. See, they had asked for disk 5 and now it's just gonna ask. So we say no printer attached and then just click install, and you see there it doesn't ask for disk 6. So what I'm gonna quickly do is remove the floppy disk and reboot. And then let's just CLS, let's CD Windows and then Win. And it still manages to keep our preferences. You know what, let me move this down here. You know what? the first thing we need to try is, let me just move this there, okay? Go to games and reverse the story, and we can still play this game from Windows 3.0. Oh, so 3.0 did upgrade it. I thought it would only be 2.0. I thought it would stay from 2.0, but okay, this is the 3.0 version apparently. But now if we see about Program Manager, this is version 3.11. Okay. But anyways guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If so, give it a like and also comment down below if you have any suggestions for what I should do next. Subscribe if you wish, and hit that bell button to stay notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyways guys, that's it for me. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Thanks for staying to the end. So I have a bit of a surprise for you guys. Here's a really fun hidden feature in Windows 3.x. I think only in 3.1. So, for this thing to work, basically what it does is it shows you the credits for everybody who worked on Windows 3.0. Or 3.1, sorry. So for this to work, you'll need to hold down the Control, Alt, and Shift keys throughout this entire process and do not let go. So first off, with the Program Manager open, click on Help and then About Program Manager. Then double click on one of the color tiles in the Windows logo and click OK. Then click Help and About Program Manager again and double click another window tile while still holding down Ctrl Alt and Shift. Then you'll see this message here that says dedicated to all the hard-working people of the Microsoft Windows 3.10 team. Then, while still holding the three keys, click OK, click Help, About Program Manager, and then double click yet another window tile. And then you can let go of the three keys. And then you'll see here the credits for everyone who worked on Windows 3.0 displayed by the email handles. And here you see this man in a yellow suit. Well, if you try this multiple times, there's actually a small chance that it might be a bear in a yellow suit, which is a reference to the Microsoft bear who was the mascot for the Windows 3.1 development team. But yeah, that's just something cool that I thought I would show you. And now, as a thank you for staying to the end, I'm gonna treat you with a screensaver.